Hello, welcome to the 5th video of our ongoing OWASP web security series. Today we tackle a pervasive issue, broken access control. Let's discover its implications. Imagine a facility where unauthorized personnel can access restricted zones. In the digital world, broken access control is just that. It allows users to perform actions or access resources they shouldn't be able to. Without proper access control, sensitive data becomes vulnerable to attackers. They can modify, delete, or even leak this data, leading to devastating consequences for businesses and users alike. Counteracting broken access control involves strict enforcement of the principle of least privilege, ensuring proper authentication and authorization, and regularly auditing access controls. Securing access control is a fundamental pillar of web security. As architects of the digital age, let's prioritize it, ensuring trust and reliability. Now let's talk about remediation guidelines for broken access control. Do not rely on obfuscation. Obfuscation is not sufficient for keeping sensitive information safe. Deny access by default. Unless a resource is intended to be publicly accessible, deny access by default. Make it mandatory for developers to declare the access that is allowed for each resource. Single application-wide mechanism. Wherever possible, use a single application-wide mechanism for enforcing access controls. Continuous audit and test access control. Thoroughly audit and test access controls to ensure they are working as designed. Disable web server directory listing and ensure file metadata, X, Git, and backup files are not present within web routes. Log and alert. Log all access control failures and alert admins when appropriate, X. Repeated failures. Rate limit API. Rate limit API and controller access to minimize the harm from automated attack tooling. Force all requests to go through access control checks. Ensure that all requests go through some kind of access control verification layer. Give as least or as little necessary access as possible. Ensure that all users, programs, or processes are only given as least or as little necessary access as possible. Continue exploring with us. Together, let's secure the code. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos of OWASP Top 10 vulnerabilities.